Happy birthday. God bless you.
प्यारे राजा बेटा, विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे। आपकी लाइफ में हमेशा खुशियाँ आती रहें और आपके झोलों में ढेर सारे गिफ्ट आते रहें। आप हमेशा आगे बढ़ते रहें। Have fun.
Many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Happy
birthday to you, Aryan. God bless you. Have a
nice day.
nice day and a great year ahead. Great year ahead.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my favorite brother. Oh wait, you're the only brother that I have, but still, you're my favorite. So, wish you an amazing quarantine wala birthday all alone with your amazing, exclusive, mazedar family with the best you can ask for. Anyways, wish you amazing success, happiness, and blah blah blah, and all the love that you already have in your life. And also with this birthday, can you please stop growing थोड़ा और tall because every birthday तो tall हो जाता है, तो बस हाँ बहुत हो गया. Happy birthday to you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. You'll always remain the small chotu bachcha only for me, so don't act too smart as you're growing up. Okay, fine. Jokes apart, we love you so much. Happy birthday once again and stay blessed.
Hey buddy, many more happy returns of the day. Have a blast and enjoy Ashi's delicious cake.
Happy birthday Aryan. Have a great year ahead. Have a rocking day. एंड हम लोग पार्टी करेंगे जब अपना कोरोना खत्म हो जाएगा, ठीक है? सो एंजॉय योर डे, हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर अहेड. वंस अगेन अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू मैन.
Aryan, happy birthday. खूब पढ़ो लिखो, खुश रहो.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Wish you all the success in your life. Enjoy hard, party hard.
Happy birthday, Aryan.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Aryan.
तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, हाँ तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, हाँ तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू अरिहन. गॉड ब्लेस यू बच्चे. लव यू लव यू लव यू ऑल. हैप्पी बर्थडे अरिहन. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे. जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50. Happy birthday to you.
Aryan.
Happy birthday to you.
Aryan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aryan. Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday to you, Aryan.
Happy birthday.
Have a best year. Have a best year ahead.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई. कैसा है? बढ़िया. मस्त. केक वेक किन्ने आके. हैप्पी बर्थडे अरियन. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा. पापा हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू अरियन. चंगा रहे. हैप्पी बर्थडे अरियन. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Bye.
जन्मदिन की बड़ी बधाई.
Hey Aryan, wishing you many more happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead and stay blessed. I'm really lucky to have you as a friend in my life, and you really mean a lot to me. And I always have the cheerful smile of yours. And we do share a lot of memories from trampoline park, laser tag, and all those fun places. And we shall definitely catch up after this lockdown and continue doing all those silly pranks. And you should always remember the silly pose that I used to make you also do like this. Anyways, have a great birthday and stay blessed always and keep laughing. Have fun. Bye.
Hello Aryan, wishing you a very happy birthday. You're so very special and you really mean a lot to me. You've actually made me feel what a true friendship is. So I'm so lucky and grateful that I have you both as a bestest friend, as well as an amazing brother. We have had so much of fun and lots of memories together. We shall make more memories. May all your wishes come true. You get all the success, all the happiness in life, and keep smiling always. Happy birthday once again.
Hello, Aryan. Happy birthday Thank you for being such a good friend to me. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Wishing you all happiness and success throughout your life.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Wishing you a very amazing year ahead. You've been such a great friend since a long time and a childhood buddy. Every time we all meet, it's been an awesome time I have had. Hope to meet you all soon and we all will have a gala time together.
Hi, many more happy returns of the day, buddy. Bye-bye, Aryanji. Keep showering your blessings every day, all day. So, I thought I could do something different for you. So, watch and enjoy.
Hello Babua, my sweetie pie. Happy birthday and wish you all the very, very best for everything that you do. I miss you, Babua. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Aryan. I really miss all the conversations, man, all the hangouts, all the meetings. I wish everything gets back to normal and we are over all these crises. Thank you for being an amazing brother. I really miss you, man. See you soon. Diamond to diamond.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Enjoy your day. Let's catch up soon. Stay safe and take care.
Hi, Aryan Duncan. Happy birthday.
Hi, Aryan. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead. Today is a very special day for you. May God bless you with health, wealth, and happiness. May all your wishes and dreams come true. And seriously, bro, I'm missing all the outings, the trips, and the lectures we used to bunk and go for playing cricket. We all will meet very soon after this lockdown. And take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Raja. I hope your family is doing good. You're one of my good friends from college days. We had a lot of friends during our study leave exams. And congratulations on your YouTube channel. And once again, happy birthday, Da. Have a great year.
Aryan, wishing you a very happy birthday, Da. Keep rocking. Even though we just spent 1 year together, we had a lot of memories, especially our talks regarding WWE. Keep rocking.
Hi Harihan, happy birthday. Today is August 5, right? So, இந்த நாள் வந்து உனக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லபடியா சூப்பரா அமையறதுக்கு என்னோட வாழ்த்துக்கள் உனக்கு. நீ என்னென்னலாம் வந்து சாதிக்கணும்னு நினைச்சியோ இந்த வருஷம் வந்து உனக்கு நல்லபடியா அமைஞ்சு கொடுக்கட்டும். I know, I understand Corona is there, but ஆனாலும் நீ என்னென்னலாம் நினைச்சியோ அதெல்லாமே இந்த வரப்போற வருஷங்கள்ல வந்து நீ கண்டிப்பா வந்து அச்சீவ் பண்ணுவ. அதுக்கு வந்து என்னோட மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். இன்னைக்கு வந்து நான் அரிஹந்தை பத்தி சொல்லனே ஆகணும். இன்னைக்கு அவன் இந்த வீடியோ வந்து ஆகஸ்ட் 5 அன்னைக்கு அவன் கண்டிப்பா பார்ப்பான். பார்க்கும்போது செம போய் எல்லாம் பேச போறான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பான். எஸ், நான் அவனை பத்தி தான் சொல்ல போறேன். அவன் வந்து எப்படின்னா வெரி வெரி கைண்ட் ஹார்ட்டட் ஃபெலோ. என்னன்னாலும் என்கிட்ட வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணுவான். கம்யூனிகேஷன்லாம் அவனை பார்த்து கத்துக்கணும் அப்படின்னு அவனை பத்தி பெருமையா சொல்லிக்கிட்டே போலாம். அந்த அளவுக்கு அவ்வளோ ஒரு இன்ஸ்பைரிங், மோட்டிவேட்டிங், பாசிட்டிவ் வைப்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்கிற ஒரு பையன். ஸோ அவன் வந்து எனக்கு ஃப்ரெண்டா கிடைச்சதுக்கு நான் ரொம்ப 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 கொடுத்து வச்சிருக்கணும். ஸோ கண்டிப்பா வந்து அவனை வந்து ஃப்ரெண்டா கிடைக்கிறவங்களுக்கும் அவனை தேர்ந்தெடுக்கிறவங்களுக்கும் எல்லாருக்குமே வந்து ஒரு சூப்பரான இன்னைக்கு ஒரு நாளா இருக்கணும் அவனுக்கு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். நான் வந்து வாழ்த்துறேன். ஆஸ் எ ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஐ எம் பிளெஸிங் ஹிம். அண்ட் அவன் வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா வரணும் அவனோட எல்லா என்டிவிஎஸ்லயும். அவங்கிட்ட பிடிச்ச விஷயங்கள் ஒரு பெரிய லிஸ்ட் இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி அவன் வந்து எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு பெரிய மென்டர் மாதிரி நிறைய விஷயத்துல வந்து அவன் இருந்திருக்கான். ஸோ அதனால அண்ட் அதை பத்தி அவன் நான் சொல்லிட்டே போலாம். இந்த பர்த்டே வந்து நல்லபடியா அமையணும், நல்லா இருக்கணும். ஹேவ் அ வண்டர்ஃபுல் டே அஹெட், ஹேவ் அ வண்டர்ஃபுல் இயர் அஹெட். கமிங் ஃபியூச்சர் இயர்ஸ்ல நீ என்னென்னலாம் என்டிவிஎஸ் பிளான் பண்ணியோ எல்லாமே உனக்கு சூப்பரா அமையறதுக்கு என்னோட மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள், என்னோட மனமார்ந்த ஆசைகள். நான் என்னென்ன தமிழ் வார்த்தைகளை சொல்லணுமோ எல்லாமே இங்க சொல்றேன். அதுக்கு வந்து நிறைய வார்த்தைகள் வந்து காத்துட்டு இருக்கு லிஸ்ட்ல. சோ அதனாலதான் நான் சொல்றேன். தேங்க்யூ சோ மச் அவந்திகா ஃபார் கிவிங் திஸ் கிரேட் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி டு ஷேர் அபவுட் அரியன். நிறைய விஷயங்கள் இருக்கு. சோ மீண்டும் பல பல நிகழ்வுகளை திருப்பி சந்திக்கலாம். And again wishing you a very 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 happy birthday Arihan. Love you man. Love you bro.
Hey Aryan, you were my first friend. Yes, I've known you from the days when you didn't know how to tie your shoelace. You were actually shorter than me, and now look at you. Everything has changed, but our friendship will remain the same, huh? I'm very happy that you're achieving all your dreams, and I just hope in future you become a great CA. Happy birthday, Aryan.
Happy birthday again. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Let all the good things that you have made till now come to you as success. And you have been always my top list who I can count on any time. You have been my childhood friend. We used to play cricket so much from around 5th standard, I guess. Last year Diwali also we have celebrated together. And treat us after all these corona stuffs and this corona quarantine gets over. Bye.
Hey Aryan, happiest birthday to you dear. Although we have never met, but I hope we meet soon. I can't say soon, but I hope we meet. May all your dreams come true, and this year brings a lot more happiness to you. May whatever you want to achieve in your life, you achieve that very soon. And it's your day, enjoy it up to the fullest. And one more thing, never forget about our partnership of North and South, if you remember. Once again, a very happy birthday, Sia, Aryan, Shial. And stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Machan. As you know, our friendship dates back almost 17 years together. Since our small age, we have been having more good times together. Being it playing cricket and having endless talks and sharing our bond beyond memories. And I pray to God that all your wishes come true. Happy birthday, Machan.
Hi! Wish you many more happy returns of the day, though I can't believe you're 22. You're still the small little boy I saw across the road, But yeah, welcome on board, Mr. CA, very soon, now.
Hi, many more happy returns of the day, Harriet. May God bless you with good health and happiness always. Stay blessed, Ghana.
Blessed.
Kalyan, wish you many, many more happy returns of the day. Hope you have a great year ahead and God bless you. It's been so long since we caught up. So once I'm back in India, we are going to catch up real soon, okay? So you take care and stay safe. Have a wonderful year ahead. Bye. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Arihant. You know I like showing only my half moonji, so don't doubt. So yeah, I wish you all happiness, love, success, luck, everything, whatever you want. I wish everything you get. And I know you've planned the coming years and what you're supposed to be doing and all. And I really, really hope everything turns out the way it's supposed to be. And thank you so much for always being there for me, for all the advices. And our bond is still the same even after what, it's been more than a year now. And I think it's still the same. Thank you so much for that. And party hard. I mean, no, don't party hard. Do your usual things, which what you always do. Give work and all that. Let's party hard after all this corona quarantine and all. Let's meet up, catch up soon. Have fun. Bye-bye.
Hi Aryan, wish you many more happy returns of the day. I know it's just 1.5 years since you met, but there are lots and lots of memories to share with you. And you are a very talented person. I wish you to have a great future ahead. And once again, wish you many more happy returns of the day, Aryan. Bye bye. Stay blessed.
Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday, Aryan, and also a safe birthday. Stay safe and happy birthday.
Hi Aryan, happy birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday. Bye. We met in college only in the first year, but the 3 years time spent with you was very good and very nice. You are a sincere and a hard-working student, the topper of the college. The bunking classes we did and went to play cricket, it was awesome. The get-togethers we had, cricket, WWE, etc., etc. Too much to say, man. I had so much time. We had a so good time. What else to say? Nothing, man. We need to meet after lockdown. We'll surely do it. All the best for your CA. All the best for your future. Bye.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Be happy always and have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Aryan. All the best for your future.
Hi, Aryans. Many more happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead.
Hello Arihant, happy birthday. I hope you're having a great day and you're smiling seeing this. Oh, and by the way, our treat is still pending from 5 years ago. I hope it's a longer walk to remember this time. And our treat lasts more than just one milkshake and we don't have the whole school gossiping about us. I miss you. Let's meet up soon and make that happen. What do you say? Bye.
Hello Arihant, a very happy birthday to you and I hope you have a splendid one today and keep up that lively smile of yours. I still remember all those dirty jokes we shared in class and those talks after the economics tuition. I think I'm going to keep reminiscing all of those even until your 80th birthday. So let's stay in touch and make more memories in the years to come until then. Bye!
What's up, my boy Aryan? I wish you many happy returns of the day. This is your day. Let your dreams come true. Cherish your moments. I still remember we used to talk a lot about career and stuff way back in school. You're such a gem of a person, my friend. Party hard, bang on. Ooh.
Hi Aryan, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Stay blessed, live long. God bless you with good health and a ever smiling face. Be confident and grow up in your life forever. I'll be there for you. It has been many years we have become friends. I'm so happy to have you in my life. Be with me always. Stay blessed. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Tata.
Happy birthday, Arihant. I remember you motivating people at tough times. Be the same and all the best for your future.
Hi Haryan, how are you? I hope everything's going good. Enjoy your day to the core. Many more happy returns of the day. And wish you also have a great year ahead. My cat is also wishing you happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hey Aryan, have a good day. Have a wonderful life. I know you have a bright future. You are going on the right path. Do whatever your heart says. Enjoy the life. But yeah, I do miss hanging out with you. We used to go for snooker. We used to go to buddies. It was fun. I hope we can meet soon. யாருக்கு டைம் இருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் கொஞ்சம் வந்து மீட் பண்ணுங்க. Have a good day again.
Hello Aryan, how are you? It's been long time since I spoke to you, I guess. I think it's very long time since I had in touch with all my STJ friends. So I'm so happy to do this video for you. I can't just forget those days when you used to teach me accounts, the time that we had in tuition, like you, me, Pooja, Beena, Niveda. We used to spend hours in the tuition with Deepika Kaka. I still remember all those times. You were such a good buddy. I'm wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope all your wishes, your dreams should come true. Stay healthy, stay happy, keep smiling and also keep rocking.
Happy birthday, Aryan. It's been so long since we last talked. So like whenever you're free, just drop a text. We can talk whenever. And yeah, stay safe, have fun. Bye.
Hey bro, how are you? Happy birthday, Machan. Have an amazing year ahead. Stay happy always. Let's meet up soon. And I'm sorry we didn't talk properly for all these months. Hoping to catch up soon.
Hi Aryan, wish you many more happy returns of the day. May you get all the happiness and all the success in your life. Take care, have fun, happy quarantine wala birthday.
Hey Aryan, wish you a very happy birthday. Keep smiling and stay happy always. And among a lot of people that I know, you're one person that's got a lot of talent. And may you succeed in everything that you take up in life. And I think you remember our 6 a.m. plan that you'll start up a CA coaching institution and I'll be the teacher there. And we've got a lot of good memories. Hope to make a lot more. Stay happy.
Hi Arihan, many more happy returns of the day. Have a blessed year. I mean, I don't mean to be boring or something, but yeah, don't kill your vibe, okay, dude? I mean, you're like high all the time. Just keep that going. But then yeah, these days we hardly talk. We should probably catch up sometime later after quarantine. So yeah, happy birthday.
happy birthday bro. எனக்கு 2019 கிடைச்ச 2 உருப்படியான விஷயம்னா ஒன்று அவந்திகா, இன்னொன்று நீங்கள். அண்ட் நம்ம 3 பேரும் சுற்றினதெல்லாம் லைக் எவ்வளோ நாளாலும் ஐ கான்ட் ஃபர்கெட். ஐ ஹேட் பெஸ்ட் டைம்ஸ் வித் யூ கைஸ். இன்னும் நிறைய சுற்றலாம், நிறைய சுற்றிக்கிட்டே இருக்கலாம். சீக்கிரம் ட்ரீட் வைங்க. ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. அண்ட் இன்னொன்று சொல்ல மறந்துட்டேன், சேர்ந்து அவந்திகாவை வெறுப்பேற்றிக்கிட்டே இருக்கலாம். அதுதான் நம்மளோட ஒரே வேலை.
Happy birthday Arihant. Hope you have a great year ahead. Hi Arihant. Happy birthday. Hope you enjoyed the day to the fullest.
Any more happy returns of the day, Aryan? Have a great year ahead.
Hi Aru. Happy birthday and may your all dreams becomes true and your upcoming years is full of happiness, okay? And remember when we do a video call, तुमने मम्मा से बात कराई थी अपनी. This day, that day was memorable for me. And हमने निक नेम डिसाइड किया था, आरू ईश. हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन आरू. एंड लॉकडाउन बर्थडे है, थोड़ा कोई नहीं घर पे सेलिब्रेट करो. ब्लेसिंग्स आपके साथ है हमारी. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi bro, wishing you many more happy birthday. It's been 3 years we started our journey in CA and we showed some progress in this. So like this, you keep on moving up in your life and wishing you a very progressive life. Okay, so wishing you once again many more happy returns of the day. Have a blast in your day. Okay, take care man.
Hi bro, happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Hope this birthday should bring you much more happiness in your life and all the best for your future.
Hey Aryan, wish you very very happy birthday. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon.
Hi Aryan, many more happy returns of the day. God bless you. Stay blessed, stay happy. OP was really good and it has created a wonderful memories in my life. Just it was 15 days, but the bond which we have is also so smooth. May this year brings a lot of happiness to you. Stay home, don't go out. Celebrate your birthday in home itself. This is a small contribution from my side. Hope we will meet soon after this lockdown ends.
हाय, कैसे हो भाई? I hope you remember me, right? Happy to have shared some simple but founding memories with you. On this very auspicious day, wish you luck, success, prosperity. Above all, one wish health and happiness. Happy birthday, brother. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Arihant. So, even now, when I think of those orientation days, you were so involved, enthusiastic in whichever activity you perform. So, I'm wishing you to be successful with the same spirit forever. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Have a great year.
Hi Aryan, happy birthday. Wish you all success, bro.
Hi Aryan, what's up? Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day. Have a great year ahead. Let this year be a very successful one for you. Meet Panadilla, we'll meet soon. And of course, yes, let this year be a very successful one for you. Love you loads, Macha. You were a really good person I met on Instagram and hoping to see you soon. We are having many plans, right? So let's execute those. So that's all. Stay blessed. Love you loads. Have a fun year.
Hi Harihan, nice to meet you. So first we became buddy in Facebook, and we first start our messenger conversation in Messenger. So I think Beauty, very freaky, cool guy and charming guy. All the friends, I wish you many more happy returns of the day. Enjoy the day with your best friends, buddies, and your girlmates. Thanks.
Hey, happy 22nd birthday, Arihan. I hope you have a great year ahead of you and do everything that you want to do. And maybe once this is all over, I can come to India and meet all of you guys over there. But yeah, I hope you have a great year and happy birthday. See you.
Hey Aryan, happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. I hope you have an awesome day and a remarkable year ahead. Wish you all the happiness and success in your life. Enjoy your day.
Many more happy returns of the day, Hariyant. Wishing you a life full of love and happiness. All the best for your future. Wishing you all success in your life. Enjoy your day.